Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your account status and basic permissions. Once logged in, check email verification and two-factor authentication. Those block joins. Make sure you're not globally banned or flagged on the platform, and verify the specific game's access settings, public, friends only, or VIP. If you're not allowed by the server's restrictions, you'll get code 267. Next, clear any session tokens and proceed to network checks to rule out connection-caused denials. Once done with account checks, focus on client and network. Clear cache and temporary game files, then restart the client to remove stale session data. Make sure your firewall, proxy, or VPN isn't blocking the game. Allow the executable through your firewall and disable proxies briefly to test. If problems persist, try joining from a different network or device to isolate whether the issue is local. These steps reveal if the error is caused by your environment versus server-side rules. To finish, reinstall the game client to fix corrupted files and ensure you run the latest stable build. This often resolves persistent code 267 scenarios. If that fails, gather logs, timestamps, and exact reject messages, then contact the server admin or platform support. Clear evidence speeds resolution. Finally, make sure any plugins, mods, or automated scripts are whitelisted, because unauthorized extensions can trigger rejections. Troubleshooting tip: if rejections continue, test with a fresh account to determine whether the issue is account-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.